back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Ronnie Bryant on the pole for tonight's Roark and Sons Transport Open Wheel Modified feature. Billy Updegraff on the outside of him in row 1. Row 2 is Craig Stykes in the 29, Dustin Cordier in the 1C. As we are racing, they went straight to green as Ronnie Bryant is up front. Billy Updegraff runs second. Ronnie Bryant out to a big lead already in that number 1 machine. Billy Updegraff, Dustin Cordier, Justin Maxwell, Craig Stykes, Adam Wright, Scott Wilson, Tim Patrick, Sarah Patrick, and caution is out. We have a spinner over in turn 1 and 2, and we have another one. They're piling up over 3 and 4. Billy Updegraff looped it, then Dustin Cordier, Justin Maxwell all looped it. That all happened well after the caution was out, as it looks like the 07W, I believe that's Scott Wilson over in turn number 1. We're going to be off May 3rd, and then on May 10th, the super late models make the return to Lake Cumberland Speedway. The Southern All-Stars Spring Nationals, 10,000 to win, plus all other classes on May 10th. Ronnie Bryant going to bring him back to the green. He was at a snail's pace. He gets a good jump. Billy Updegraff, a great start as he's right there with Ronnie Bryant. Bryant and Updegraff side by side down the backstretch. Contact made. Those two cars look like they may be hooked together. They are not. And Bryant is going to hit the wall. You can see the front of that car broke. He and Billy Updegraff made contact, and you could see the left front get sucked in, and when he did, that car would not turn. We're going to need a wrecker in turn 4. Going to need a wrecker right here to the top of turn 4 at the top of the front stretch. Oh, heartbreak for Ronnie Bryant. That car was so good tonight. Handling so well. He was your fast qualifier. Updegraff, Cordier, Maxwell, and caution is out. Updegraff slows here on the front stretch and collects just about everybody in the field. Two laps in, 18 to go here for the open wheel modifieds. Dustin Cordier, your new leader, going to roll off into 3 and 4. That car pushes just a little bit, going to come up off the bottom. Justin Maxwell chasing him down. Stykes in 3rd with that left rear quarter panel gone. Battling a ill-handling race car right now. Scott Wilson, Tim Patrick, and then Sarah Patrick and Don Cox. Stykes and Maxwell battling out for second as Dustin Cordier out to a 1.8 second advantage. And now Stykes gets past the 20 of Justin Maxwell as we're going to see 6 laps in this time by. Now Stykes going to set his sights on the 1C of Dustin Cordier. Dustin Cordier started 4th in this one. Stykes started 3rd. Justin Maxwell started 5th in this one. And now Maxwell battling back with the 29 of Stykes. Courtier down the backstretch, about a 3-car length advantage over the 29 of Craig Stykes. Then it's going to be Justin Maxwell, Scott Wilson, Tim Patrick, Sarah Patrick, and Don Cox rounding out your field. 9 in, we'll see halfway, 10 in, 10 to go. This time by 10 in, 10 to go. Courtier about another lap and a half to 2 laps away from encountering lap traffic with Don Cox and Sarah Patrick. Maybe catching them quicker than that, as now Stykes has moved in a little bit closer. Courtier rolls through 3 and 4 once again. Stykes got a great run off of 3 and 4 that time. That car was smooth off of 3 and 4. He closed right in. Stykes continues to run second. Courtier gets around Sarah Patrick. Now Stykes does the same. Five to go now as it is continue. Oh, contact made between Courtier and the 29 of Craig Stykes. Stykes loops it around. The 29 of Craig Stykes. So it continues to be Dustin Courtier up front. The 20 of Justin Maxwell. And caution is out. Debris on the track finally came out. So it's Courtier, and it's going to be Justin Maxwell. It's going to be Scott Wilson, Craig Stykes, Tim Patrick. Those cars on the lead lap. Sarah Patrick, Don Cox a lap down. Green flag back out. A great start for Dustin Courtier as he dives into one. There goes Craig Stykes around the 07 of Scott Wilson as he has that car set up on the high side going after the 20 of Maxwell. Now Maxwell goes to the top of the track. The 1C of Courtier with 17. You'll see 18 to go this time by, and now the 20 and the 29 have gone to the whip on top of the track. Maxwell goes to the top, trying to chase down Courtier. They're going to see the white flag this time by. Dustin Courtier on the bottom, Justin Maxwell on the top. At the line, it is Dustin Courtier, almost contact. Justin Maxwell gets out of it. See if he can make one more move. He will not be able to do it off of turn number 4, Euro Arkansas Transport. Open wheel modified feature going to go to Dustin Courtier. Second goes to Justin Maxwell. Third at the line goes Craig Stykes, Scott Wilson, and Tim Patrick. Tim Patrick pulled in. That'll move Sarah Patrick to 5th. So first goes to Dustin Cordier, second goes to Justin Maxwell, third to Craig Stykes, fourth will go to Scott Wilson, and the winner, or excuse me, fifth rather, is the 13P of Sarah Patrick. So the winner of your Roark & Sons Transport Open Wheel Modified feature in that 1C, that is Dustin Cordier.
Race fans, put your hands together for Dustin Cordier. Come over here in front of the car, man. Let me get a quick word with you. Seems like that one was a nail biter. A lot of cars going out, lots going on up front, but you had a good car all night. How's it feel to get in victory lane here at Lake Cumberland Speedway?
It's my first win ever in a car, so I'm speechless. I don't know what to say. I wish my little girl was here with us, but it is what it is.
First one. What about that? Give him a round of applause. I'm sure you got some people to thank. Give them a shout out.
Yeah, Harmon Paving, 859 Off-Road, GM Farms, Asphalt Management Group, my mom, my dad, and everybody that stands behind me and helps me along the way.
Put your hands together one more time. Congratulations, buddy.
About time winning something. Hey, that's awesome.